Understanding smart contracts, how they work. Hey everyone, welcome to Ideazoom Academy. Have you ever made a deal with a friend? Like, if you finish your homework, I'll give you chocolate? Now, imagine if a computer could automatically give the chocolate when the homework is done. No arguments, no delays. That's exactly how smart contracts work. What is a smart contract? A smart contract is a special program stored on a blockchain that runs automatically when certain conditions are met. It removes the need for middlemen like banks or lawyers, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. How do smart contracts work? One agreement is written in code. Instead of a paper contract, everything is written in computer code. 2. Stored on the blockchain. Once created, it cannot be changed, ensuring security. 3. Self-executing. When all conditions are met, the contract automatically completes the transaction. Real-life example. Imagine you're buying a digital painting online. You send money to the smart contract. The contract holds the payment until you receive the painting. Once confirmed, the smart contract automatically sends the money to the seller. No trust issues, no delays, no cheating. Where are smart contracts used? Banking, faster payments without banks. Gaming, own and trade digital assets securely. Real estate, buy houses without middlemen. Voting systems, secure and tamper-proof elections. Why are smart contracts important? Transparent. Everyone can see the contract on the blockchain. Secure. Once created, it cannot be changed or hacked. Fast and automatic. No waiting for approvals. Smart contracts are the future of business. Want to learn more? Like, share and subscribe to Ideazoom Academy?